Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shivangi Mukherjee and I'm so excited about this video and I hope you guys noticed. I hope you did. So I went with a haircut. I used to have pretty much long hair and I went with this long bob. And yeah, I'm so obsessed with this haircut. I'm so obsessed. So yeah, guys, my mom used to not like short hair. Then finally she agreed, and we went to the parlor a few days back. And yeah, I did this haircut. And so, guys, I used to have these bangs which I kept, and then I went with the long bob. So I pretty much love the haircut, and it's amazing. I'm loving my new look. So guys, I'll be sharing my current obsessed hairstyles which I'm currently obsessed with. So yeah, I'll be sharing with you guys those, and I hope you guys like the video and it will be helpful for you, for those who have short hairs and you don't know how to style them. So yeah guys, without further ado, let's get into the video. was it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video and you liked all the hairstyles, and if you did, then don't forget to give a big fat thumbs up and share with your friends and families. Comment down below which hairstyle you like the most, and if I'm looking good in my short hair or I used to look good in my long hair. Comment down below that. And here, guys, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done already, and press the bell notification button so that whenever I post a video, you always get notified. And so, guys, that was it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. So yeah, guys, love you all. Bye bye.